Yksi Juha Kankkunen kartturinaan, Sirpa Tuomi.
Okay, this is the moment I've been waiting for, Julian. I want to hear the sound of this car as it goes round. It's an incredible machine. We're so lucky, and so the spectators to be able to see this do the course. No 360 though, Juha mentioned earlier. No handbrake in the car to be able to do that.
That's it. I think we're just going to get a bit of a spectacle. This car, I mean, I know the door sticker on the side, Stars and Lakes 1985, number 6. That is a car, obviously, Hannu Mikkola drove. I seem to remember, and this is going to show my age as well as how sad I am, but I remember that car not looking like that when it was in the rally. Hannu had a bit of an off in it and damaged the rear spoiler and things like that, but it is just fantastic. They are not, as Marco Alén said, these cars nowadays, he said, are fantastic. He said, but when we had these cars in these days, they were fantastic as well.
Let's listen to it off the start.
Lämmittelyä vielä tällä komealla B-ryhmän Audilla, vanhalla rouvalla. Ja katsotaan minkälaista kyytiä mestari Kankkunen antaa sitten tänne legendaariselle autolle tässä Helsingin tapahtumassa.
The noise is great, as you said, Bex. Seeing there, Sebastian Ogier taking a picture. That's how much he wants to see this car. Also, this gives us just a little look at the course. It is made up of the streets of Helsinki. You've got tarmac, you've got cobblestones, you've got a rail line, like for the trams.
Yeah.
So there's lots to catch them out. You can tell the lock isn't what they are nowadays, and Juha just struggling slightly in there, but I'm sure he's having a lot of fun, and the fans, just listen to that. Famous wastegate chatter that Audi's always had. He's getting more and more into it now, isn't he?
He is. He's picking up the pace, second run. Not only are we getting a great view of the track, but the amount of spectators here as well. They are lining the 1.6 kilometers we have here, and it is 10 to 15 deep.
Yeah, that was something else that came out in the driver's briefing. Jari, Matti and everyone saying, could have done with the stage being a little longer. The legends going, no, it should have been a little shorter, because we might have a bit more of an advantage if it was shorter, or less of a disadvantage maybe. But strange, Kankkunen never drove that car in a rally. He was never an official Audi driver, but he owns one now and has brought it for us to all watch here. Fantastic. Try and get a quick word with Juha now.
No niin, otetaan täältä Juhalta tuoreet kommentit auton sisältä. Juha, onko fiilis tän sisällä, tän Audin sisällä parempi vai tommosen uuden VRC?
No kyllä nuo uudet VRC on aika paljon helpompi ajaa. Kyllä on vähän sellaisia kimurantteja, mutta onhan näissä tehoa ja on näissä sellainen oma ääni, että kyllä se aina hyvältä tuntuu.
Entä sitten Sirpalli siellä sulla kartturina, kuuluuko mitään kiljahduksia tai muita nuotteja?
Ei kuulunut ihan. Aivan hienosti meni.
Enemmän tein kyllä sisään ulos hengityksiä kuin synnyttäessä. Löysin siitä hyvän keinon niin kuin tasoittaa.
Otetaan tässä vielä loppuun yksi englanninkielinen kysymys. What was the feeling, Juha, inside this beautiful legendary Audi?
No, very nice. Let's say that it's a bit more difficult to drive than the nowadays cars, but you feel the power, and you know that somehow they are quite special cars, these Group B cars anyway.